पीछे लेना। चले
Hi, good evening everyone. I would request everyone to please settle down so we can begin the event.
चले
Founder and CEO of SVMT Music, Mr. Srikanth Tulli. So can I have a huge round of applause for him, guys? Hi, good evening. So how are you feeling?
Very excited and nervous, even after 5 songs, I'm feeling nervous for this song.
I can understand with such awesome star cast. I'm sure we all are going to be feeling nervously excited. So what are your expectations from people when the song releases?
I think the song is really beautiful, Parth Sampan and Jessica Kanapur is also such a wonderful voice. I think people will really love it.
I completely agree to everything that you said. There is much more to what you said apart from the wonderful star cast and the music and the singers. So thank you and please welcome. So after knowing the founder, I think it's time to meet this lady who is absolutely a beautiful actress. She is basically good with her performance in the movies, maybe it in the music albums, television and in reality show. Let's put your hands together and welcome Madhurima Tulli, who is the Chief Executive Advisor of SVMT Music. Hi, good evening. So how excited you are?
I am thrilled, honestly, because the song is beautiful and it's sung by Argos and Parth and Anshul Krishnan. Unfortunately, Anshul is not here, so she's not feeling well, but I am super excited and I'm sure the audience will love the song.
So you expect that the audience is going to give the same love that they gave you Pavina?
I'm sure maybe more than that also.
Okay, that's awesome. So I get to know that you're basically Chief Executive Advisor of SPMT. So what advice or creative advice do you give to your team?
Well, honestly, it's him, it's Srikanth altogether, and he's the founder. But because I'm a big sister, so obviously I do sometimes like I do that sometimes because I have experience a little bit, so that experience I use it in this.
You have experienced a lot of it. So thank you so much, ma'am, and I hope you enjoy the evening, and I hope we all definitely love the song. So now let's put your hands together and also welcome the co-producers of SVMT Music, that is Mrs. Vijaya Pantulli and Swati Sinha. Applause for them as well. Hello. So I'm sure जैसे कि I think श्रीकांत और मधुरिमा दोनों ने बताया they are extremely excited.
बहुत ज़्यादा पहले तो ये भी नहीं हुआ कि पार्ट ऑफ
have for the song, really?
Well, I am not at all nervous for the song, so I'm just excited. Hanya, I would really thank Shrikant because after either he always takes care that whenever a good opportunity for me comes, he definitely shares it with me. So I'm always excited to work again and again with him. So thank you Shrikant for this, and for Mere Hanya it's gonna eat off it, I think. So yeah.
Thank you so much. I hope and I really pray that there are wonderful opportunities that you guys can collaborate and give us more beautiful incentive. So now that we have met the production team, we've known who are the people rather behind the song. I think it's time to meet the director because apart from now being a director, woo, can I have a huge round of applause? Because he's the man who's made Parth and Archer fall in love and create a story that's 10 years. Wow, that's something is beautiful. So how excited you are? Oh, I think it's the other way around. You're nervous? Okay, I think happy nervous is still fine. Yeah, but don't worry, I'm sure once the song releases, you'll be the happiest person of all. Absolutely, I think that's what everyone's going to give love to. So I wanted to know how was your experience while the shoot because whatever little bit trailer that I have seen, you guys have this wonderful love story between Pooja and Suraj, where I think Pooja has been in love with Suraj for 10 years. Wow. In an instant age of swiping, I just wanted to know that like how I spoke to Mr. Rohit also, and he said there's this old age feel of going to it. So the song and the music also has a lot of melody in the whole thing. So when and I get to know that you are a whole lyricist also. So how did the idea of Mere Hanya all came together?
Just a simple idea. To be very honest, I was just driving my car. And suddenly I got this thought, like, there was a line which was, "Kabhi tu mere saath bhi to kar ho chal." Then suddenly I just took a U-turn and just went back to my studio. Just started preparing it and I called my producer at the time. Now we go.
Wow, so I didn't realize कि मुंबई में ट्रैफिक में भी कोई क्रिएटिविटी भी आ सकती है. हम हमेशा ट्रैफिक को ब्लेम करते हैं, but this is a wonderful thing. Awesome. So Mere Hanya, when we also Hanya, let's have a huge round of applause for him as well. He's the one responsible to get this beautiful stars on the poster. So good evening, sir, and welcome. So when did you get to know about that? The SPMG Music is creating a beautiful song like Mere Hanya. So what was the brief given to you by Mr. Shrikant?
Okay, so the moment a song is written, a story is written, casting director's job is to find out the right kind of faces which will create the chemistry, right? Because as the director mentioned, that the storyline, the music, everything should fall in place. Because success comes with a combination of a lot of things. So you need great casting, great actors, their chemistry has to be there. That is the only time the song will work. So everything has to be a combination of things. So I'm thankful to SPMG and Trending Productions and Bhuvan Ahuja for giving me the opportunity. It's great to have worked with them.
Thank you to have Argo with us who has sung this melodious song. But I guess now is the time to meet the man. The main man, I think who needs no introduction. His radiant personality and his charming smile definitely makes all the women go weak on their knees. And I'm sure few men also out there. But he has essayed so many beautiful characters and people have loved him. And most recently been the Anurag Basu. And I'm sure now we all know ladies whom I'm talking about. So can I have a huge round of applause and call Parth out here for us. Hi, Parth, good evening. How are you feeling?
Very happy and excited that yes, this song is releasing and it's a very good song and it's romantic. I mean, it's my song and it feels nice whenever I put forward my emotions. And overall, Argo has sung it beautifully along with Anchal. So we made a new fresh pair and I've liked it overall. And I hope you guys also like it soon.
I'm sure they all will. So do you want to share with us some beautiful memories of your shoot when you was shooting the song?
Well, I still remember that it was a task to go all the way to Uncha. Although Uncha जाने से पहले मुझे कोई idea नहीं था कि ये जगह exist भी करती है. But after going there, I realized such a beautiful place because it had this humongous palace and where we shot the song, where you will see in the video itself. And it was a different atmosphere altogether. Like I haven't been to much of MP part, Madhya Pradesh. So location-wise, we actually covered up pretty much over there. And apart from that, the experience we had over there, those दिन के अंदर हमको जो रैप करना होता है शूटिंग प्रेशर जो जल्दबाजी होती है वो डायरेक्टर ही जान सकता है so
प्रोडक्शन टीम कंप्लीट होगा जल्दी
yeah absolutely but overall since you know that the song is very good so internally you're happy that you are doing justice so all you have to do is be a part of it and play your part.
and just be yourself and romance on the screen.
Absolutely. I still remember people coming from Jhansi, people coming from UP and all, since it's not the border. So just to meet us, just to see how the shooting is happening and all, it was very sweet of them. So I still remember those memories. And yeah, I mean, you should ask him, how was the experience for him?
How was the experience working with you?
Very stressful.
How was your experience working with him? Was his week too much or it was just too easy, go with the flow?
No, actually he's a very easy going director and also apart from that, he knows what he wants. Right? There were a couple of instances that I was shooting. I had no clue where this guy would put this scene in the video. So, but when I saw the video, he nicely arranged it and it looks like a proper smooth story where he would actually tell a journey of a character, of two characters who are falling in love. So it was very beautifully displayed. So I think I should give that to him.
Yes, absolutely. And you as well portrayed so beautifully for all of us. So one last question I wanted to ask that, like we have discussed with him also, that the song has a different story about this couple for 10 years that the actress like Pooja is in love with Suraj. So do you think it's difficult to find such kind of love in nowadays time?
Yes, it is not difficult. It is very easy. Thanks to Instagram. You can actually get in touch with anyone you want. That's contact line. Facebook DM. But yeah, I mean, apart from that, jokes apart, on a serious note, if you feel for someone, I think it is time that you should actually tell them, irrespective of how much time has it been, like it's been 2 years, 3 years, or even 2 days. I think if you feel very strongly for a person, you should just go and express yourself. बाद में regrets ना हो कि यार काश नहीं कह पाता, काश नहीं बात हो पाती, काश मैं मेरे साथ होता, आज किसी और के साथ नहीं, but divorce का इंतजार नहीं कर सकता, all that. So, but yeah, I mean, I think if you just feel something for someone, you should just go up and express yourself.
I guess that's what Anya says. And I'm sure every day you get that DMs or slided in your Instagram, people brilliant proposing you.
Yeah, like I said, thanks to Instagram, everyone's been DMing me and expressing their love, which apparently, unfortunately, I can't reply back equally with equal amount of emotion. But yes, I can actually gladly thank them for the admiration and love and support that they have always given me.
So now I'm sure after Mere Hania, more women are going to come. So thank you so much, and I hope that all of us really love this song, especially your female fan following, and they slide more DMs to you and you get to reply them as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Apart from the female fan following, also I expect a lot of males to understand the song
Yes.
because since Argo has sung this beautifully, and I am sure a lot of guys will relate to this song. I'm sure a lot of guys will feel the song has that freshness and warmth alongside. So I feel that guys equal with girls, they like the song and they love the song.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. And I'm sure that the whole SKMT team
All of you sent some.
to Mere Hania. Can we all hear? Woo! Okay, so I would request everyone to please settle down and please be seated here so that we can view the song.
तेरे बिना दर्द ये मुझको हंसना है तेरी पलकों से ब्यूटीफुल। और क्या आपका साउंड फिक्स हो गया अभी? Because we are waiting impatiently and using patience before.
So we can do this hashtag Mere Hania. So anyone comes in and sings, you know, that you can just come here and we can hashtag for you guys out here.
Wow, your demands are just, you cannot resist these demands. Time pass करना पड़ेगा अभी.
अच्छा,
Meanwhile, should we do the bites or not?
Yeah, please.
Interesting.
ये पिंक विला यहीं आए हैं वहाँ पे इंटरव्यू कर लिया है पिंक विला यहीं आए मैं यहीं पे आया एकदम
Good to see you. बहुत कुछ बोल चुके हैं आप, बहुत एक लंबा चौड़ा इंटरेक्शन रहा है ना एंकर के साथ, फिर भी मैं आपकी जुबान नहीं जाना चाहूँगा पार्ट इसका आइडिया था ये, और जब मैंने वीडियो देखा, इट ऑल्सो रिमाइंड मी ऑफ आमिर खान साहब एंड सोनाली बेंद्रे इन सरफरोश.
ओके वेरी नाइस.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे? इट रिमाइंड मी ऑफ आई एम टेकिंग दैट रेफरेंस. क्या वो कहने में था?
कर लो यस हाँ. सो थैंक यू फॉर द रेफरेंस एक्चुअली. बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आपको कुछ पुरानी यादें आपकी ताज़ा हो जाती हैं और आपने कुछ एक रेफरेंस के तौर पे आपको सिमिलर लगता है, जो एक बड़ी फिल्म है, बड़ा गाना है. तो हमारी कुछ ऐसी सोच नहीं थी स्पेशली कि हम कुछ ऐसा क्रिएट करेंगे, हमारा कोई ऐसा रेफरेंस होगा, बट वी वर जस्ट इन आवर माइंड्स के विल क्रिएट समथिंग न्यू एंड फ्रेश म्यूजिक विद आर्को's वॉइस इन इट. एंड आई एम श्योर दैट यू गाइज हैव सीन इट और आपको पसंद आया होगा. रियली होप सो because it looks very nice and romantic and it gives you that sort of butterflies in it. So that was the whole feel, that was the whole process that we thought of कि गाना सुन के अच्छा लगा. हमने जब पहली बार सुना था तो हमें गाना बहुत अच्छा लगा था, फ्रेश लग रहा था और एक फील गुड फैक्टर सॉन्ग है. इफ़ आई हैव टू पुट इट इन शॉर्ट, एक फील गुड फैक्टर फील जो आपको अंदर आपको अगर आपका मूड ख़राब रहा या if you're going through something, music heals actually, I feel, at the end of the day. So if you listen to such songs, I'm sure that your mood will change and you'll have a good mood, yeah.
श्रीकांत, whose brainchild is इसका पूरा आइडिया था और how whole this whole album happened?
So actually this song came to me 1 year back. मेरे को भुवन ने भेजा था. So मेरे को सॉन्ग बहुत ही प्यारा लगा था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट टाइम आई वाज बिजी विद अदर शूट्स. तो ये ट्रेंडिंग प्रोडक्शन ने दे टुक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड दे मेड द सॉन्ग वेरी ब्यूटीफुली. एंड जिसमें मतलब एवरीथिंग, द टीम, आई थिंक इट्स रियली वंडरफुल. प्रोडक्शन हाउस ने पहला गाना बनाया है, बट उसके हिसाब से दे हैव डन अ वंडरफुल जॉब. आई एम श्योर यू गाइज हैव लव्ड इट.
मधुरी में आपका क्या टेक था जब श्रीकांत ने बताया कि इस तरह का कॉन्सेप्ट है, इस पर वो काम करने जा रहे हैं? आपके क्या इन्फ्लुएंस थे?
जब श्रीकांत ने गाना सुनाया और म्यूजिक ही पावरफुल का सूदिंग लगा, हमने कहा कहते हैं कि इस पर करना चाहिए कुछ काम, बिकॉज इट्स ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग एंड अगर हमको इतना पसंद आ रहा है तो ऑडियंस को भी पसंद आएगा डेफिनेटली. सो एंड शूट भी जो किया है लोकेशन वाइज एंड एवरीथिंग, आपको है संगीत एंड पार्ट्स इज देयर एंड द केमिस्ट्री आंचल इज देयर, द केमिस्ट्री वाज ब्यूटीफुल. सो हमने कहा कि वी हैव टू डू दिस सॉन्ग और SVFT बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली द एंटायर टीम इज वेरी
कोई स्पेसिफिक रीज़न? जब हम म्यूज़िक लेवल की बात करते हैं, टी सीरीज, सोनी, बहुत सारे लेवल हैं, हम नई लेवल के साथ आना इसकी कोई खास वजह?
पहले तो फाविदा लेकर आए थे. फाविदा के टाइम में हमने काफ़ी चैनल को अप्रोच किया. किसी चैनल ने ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दी नहीं, तो हमने सोचा हम अपने चैनल में लेकर आते हैं. एंड एक्चुअली द फर्स्ट सॉन्ग ओनली बिकेम सच अ ह्यूज हिट, 35 मिलियन क्रॉस कर गया. सो आई थिंक वी वर लकी दैट कि वो हम लोग अपने चैनल में लेकर आए. तो अभी बीच में और भी गाने आए, वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली तो चले नहीं, बट गाने बहुत ही खूबसूरत है वो भी. तो ये गाना आई थिंक एक प्लस पॉइंट हो गया है. तो इसलिए आई थिंक ये हमारा लकी है कि हमने दूसरा गाना एक अच्छा गाना हो गया.
पार्थ, हाउ यू डिफाइन मेरे हानिया? क्या मतलब मेरे हानिया का अगर आप बताएं, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मेरे हानिया?
It's sweetheart. My lover. Yeah, it's a sweetheart. Basically, it's my lover, and it's basically the guy जहाँ आपको आपकी ज़िंदगी में आपको पता नहीं होता कि आपसे कोई अगर प्यार करता है या कुछ फील करता है, लेकिन आप एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते, आप खुद एक्सप्रेस नहीं करते या फिर वो सामने वाला इंसान एक्सप्रेस नहीं करता। लेकिन एक पॉइंट आता है जहाँ पर यू हैव टू पुट योर फुट डाउन एंड यू हैव टू लेट इट गो एंड यू हैव टू एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ बिकॉज यू लव दैट पर्सन। So I feel this song is dedicated to those people who actually where you know that you're going through something but you're not able to open up or you're not able to express yourself. So I think if you feel for someone, just go there out and just express yourself. No regrets. You should have in fact you shouldn't think कि क्या होगा आगे, क्या लड़का या लड़की हाँ बोले ना, बस बोल देना चाहिए बिकॉज अपने दिल की जो बात है वो हमेशा पुट फोर्थ करना चाहिए rather than regretting in future कि काश मैं ये कर पाता, काश मैं नहीं कर पाता, काश मैं ये बोल पाता. So it's about the song is about that.
आप दोनों के जीवन में कभी निजी ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, कभी आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया है?
मेरा तो नेशनल टीवी में हो गया, फेस्टिवल में नहीं, बहुत कुछ हो गया। But I think I don't want to discuss my personal life anywhere. आप
नहीं एक्चुअली थैंकफुली फॉर्चुनेटली इनफ जब भी ऐसा कोई मोमेंट आया है जब मुझे अपने दिल की बात किसी से एक्सप्रेस करना है तो दूसरे इंसान ने हमेशा उसको एक्सेप्ट किया है और उसको वो कहते हैं ना प्रपोजल को एक्सेप्ट करना, तो वो हमेशा आई हैव बीन थैंकफुल इनफ के आई बीन लकी इनफ के वो हुआ है. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई फील एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एडवाइस ऑल द यंगस्टर्स आउट देयर स्पेशली where if you feel for someone, if you like someone, if you have a crush on someone, please go there. If you feel very strongly for someone, you have to just put your foot down and not have any sort of ego or any sort of attitude towards it. Just have a positive attitude and make sure that you want to be that other person. You want to be with that other person and you want to express your heart out.
पार्थ, आपकी बातों से बड़ी वैलेंटाइन डे की फीलिंग आ रही है, लग रहा है 14 फरवरी है आज।
हम यही चाह रहे थे वैलेंटाइंस डे पे रिलीज करना, लेकिन दिसंबर पहले आ गए थे, सोच रहे क्रिसमस पे रिलीज करें तो यार।
पार्थ, इसके अलावा भी हमने बहुत से गाने देखे हैं, सिंगल जो आपने किए
जी।
हैं और इसी तरह के रोमांटिक किरदार में रहे हैं।
जी
क्या खास मानते हैं आप इस सिंगल को बाकी जो आपने इससे पहले जो काम किया?
जी एक्चुअली दरअसल हमेशा एक प्रोसेस होता है. जब मुझे गाना आता है तो मैं पहली बार सुनता हूँ, 2 दफ़ा सुनता हूँ, उसके बाद मैं अपने 5 दोस्तों के बीच में बैठकर उन्हें सुनाता हूँ. तो दिस सॉन्ग was one of the few songs where actually all 5 of us just had a similar kind of vote कि हाँ ये गाना बहुत अच्छा है. और सबके बेसिकली तब एक किस्म का एक आर्को की आवाज़ ऐसी है कि इतनी अच्छी है कि लोग पहले पूछते कि गाया किसने, इतना अच्छा गाया. तो जब मैंने कहा आर्को ने गाया एंड ऑल, द सॉन्ग इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, सो दे वर लाइक हैंड्स डाउन वी शुड डू इट. So that is the sound of confidence that I gather from my friends, and yeah, that's how I do it. That's my whole process. When I should like the song and I make sure कि मैं कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनको पसंद आए, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि मेरी म्यूजिक अलग हो. So I just want to make sure that I'm doing the right song.
शिखर, पार्थ का होना, आर्को का गाना वाकई में बहुत अच्छा है. जब आप पहली आवाज़ ही आपके कान में आती है तो बहुत सुकून सा देती है. So do you think half the battle is won?
सॉरी
Do you think half the एक आधी जंग जीती जा चुकी है कि लोग वाकई में सराहे?
हाँ बिल्कुल. मतलब मैं जब गाना पहली बार देखा था तो मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि ये जब गाना मेरे पास आया तो इट वाज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी विच आई डिड नॉट वांट टू मिस, बिकॉज जितना प्यारा वो गाना है उतना प्यारा पिक्चराइजेशन है और उतना उसमें एक्टिंग जो मतलब पार्थ समतान इज़ नोन फॉर हिज रोमांस, पर इसमें आई एम श्योर ही इज़ लुकिंग ही हैज़ डन अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ. मेरे को रोमांस में इसमें कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल एंड इंटेंस लगा, बिकॉज हियर उसको पता चलता है कि द कैरेक्टर नोज़ कि उसको ये लड़की प्यार कर रही है 10 साल से, एंड नाउ ही स्टार्ट्स रियलाइजिंग इट. जैसा आपने वीडियो में देखा तो वो जो पूरा रियलाइजेशन पार्ट है ना, आई रियली लव दैट पार्ट बिकॉज आई हैव सीन हिम इन अ लॉट ऑफ म्यूजिक वीडियोज़, बट मुझे इसमें आई रियली लाइक हिम अ लॉट. एंड द एंटायर थिंग तू नज़्म गाना और को सर का मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सो एवरीथिंग वाज जस्ट परफेक्ट फॉर SVMT चैनल एंड बस मैंने ले लिया इसका.
Thank you
so much. Thank you.
एक मिनट done. Chanda is done. Okay, so first he's doing one-on-one. Ashish from Telemanagala. Sorry.